Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about the 5 best gaming keyboards on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and lots of research and have listed them based on quality, durability, performance, price, and more. You can find the purchase link for all the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless Gaming Keyboard. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless Gaming Keyboard is the world's fastest keyboard with Omni 2.0 switches for over 11x more immediate response and 10x quicker actuation. This wireless unit is the compact version of the enduringly popular SteelSeries Apex Pro. Like its predecessor, it has an adjustable pre-travel distance, meaning you can set the sensitivity of your key presses. Whether you want a nearly instant actuation point for competitive gaming or longer pre-travel distance for general typing, you can customize each key individually within a wide range to best suit your needs. Additionally, this newer unit features upgraded Omni 2.0 switches, which allow you to program 2 inputs to a single key press, an excellent time-saving feature for FPS games. If there's a downside, the battery life is relatively short at only 30-40 hours. But, considering how many features this little guy has packed into it, it's normal. Number 2. EVGA Z12 RGB Gaming Keyboard. The EVGA Z12 RGB Gaming Keyboard features typically reserved for higher-end products like RGB backlighting, good ergonomics, and companion software that lets you program macros to any key. It uses rubber dome switches, which don't feel like nice mechanical switches to type on or use, but they're reticent, making this board a good starting choice for kids or gamers with a setup in a shared space like a dorm or living room. Its latency is enough to handle casual games but too slow for those fast-paced, competitive games. Also, while it does have RGB backlighting, you can only customize it in zones, so it doesn't look as lovely as individually lit keys. However, it's nice to have customizable backlighting, as other cheap options usually only come in one backlighting color. Overall, the keyboard feels cheaply made, which is expected from a cheap gaming board. Number 3. Logitech G713 Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G713 Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard stands out from all the other keyboards on this list because it looks different. Rather than an aggressive black or gray color scheme, the G715 is matte white with soft, lilac-colored media keys. Adding to its soft aesthetic is the frosted RGB lighting strip around the keyboard, which shows colors with a more pastel tone and a comfortable cloud-shaped wrist rest. Although this unit doesn't have the same degree of customization, its low latency and overall gaming performance are just as fantastic. While you use it in a wired mode with the included USB to USB-C cable or wirelessly with its USB receiver, you'll be met with a responsive in-game experience with no noticeable delay, even if you're playing competitively. You can get this unit with your choice of Logitech's GX switches in the usual offerings of clicky blue, tactile brown, and linear red. Number 4. Razer TKL Tenkeyless Gaming Keyboard. The Razer TKL Tenkeyless Gaming Keyboard is a more stripped-down version. For example, it lacks the row of dedicated media keys, the volume wheel, and the higher-than-average maximum polling rate options. But, even though an older model in Razer's flagship series, it still offers performance on par with even the most recent gaming releases. As this is a pretty straightforward unit, it doesn't offer a lot in the way of customization. It only comes with linear Razer optical switches, which have a feather-light actuation force and a very short pre-travel distance, meaning the key presses are very sensitive. While this is great for gaming, you'll have to be mindful of your finger placement, as it's straightforward to register a keystroke accidentally. The Huntsman Tournament Edition also has exceptionally low latency, clocking in at milliseconds. Number 5. CORSAIR K70 RGB Tenkeyless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The CORSAIR K70 RGB Tenkeyless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard features excellent build quality with a rugged plastic chassis, durable PBT keycaps, and ergonomic kickstands that open sideways, so you don't accidentally collapse them if you move your board. Performance-wise, its near-millisecond latency provides a very fluid and responsive in-game experience, especially when combined with the light-to-press Cherry MX switches. In addition, it has precision-molded PBT double-shot keycaps with a standard bottom row layout, fading, and shine, with 1.5 in thickness for rigid stability. You can get this keyboard with either classic Cherry MX red switches or Cherry MX B switches, and regardless of which you spring for, you will find a very light control with a short actuation distance, so pressing a key feels like an extension of your finger. The K70 RGB TKL is part of a more extensive K70 lineup that features keyboards of different sizes with slightly different features. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to comment and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next videos.